Welcome back to the EnerJI Science Podcast.
Hello everyone, this is Terrell.
Hi, this is Anthea.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
Hello, this is Vera.
Hello, I'm Somya.
Today, we will be showcasing our updates on global warming and pollution, both of which you may have heard about. The world is slowly heating up because of increased levels of greenhouse gases, and we are the main cause of it. I know you may have heard this over and over for decades, but in the past few years, things have changed.
To refresh your memory, Terrell will show you some of our collected data on what has changed and what people plan to do about it.
You're right. These last few years have changed the way that people look at climate change. Now they notice how much we have impacted this change. First, we know that global warming is caused by the increased amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases linger and cause the Earth's atmosphere to trap more heat, therefore making the Earth warmer.
These greenhouse gases are caused by burning fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas. In the past few centuries, humans have been overusing these fuels, burning them for energy, and this causes the increase of the gases.
Earth has natural greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere. This is essential for life, but too much of the greenhouse effect causes Earth to overheat. Like Somya said, humans burn fossil fuels, which emit an insane amount of greenhouse gases. This causes the greenhouse effect to work way too well, causing global warming. These fossil fuel sources are non-renewable, and we are mining them at extraordinary rates, faster than they could ever replenish. Humans are using the Earth's natural resources to basically harm themselves. Above all, now and in the very near future, countries will be fighting over these resources with each other. Not only do us humans cause global warming, we also pollute the air, water, and land. The air is filled with smog in many countries because of the burning of fossil fuels. The ecosystem is dying because of the pollution.
Cars, energy, heat. All of these are examples of how we pollute the air. We breathe on a daily basis, but that isn't the extent of it. This goes beyond air. It affects every part of the Earth, the hydrosphere, biosphere, atmosphere, and the lithosphere.
For a while now, we have also been polluting our oceans, throwing trash in the ocean, and reducing its value. This causes the other spheres to suffer too. Along with lowering the water quality, which is bad enough, it is also harmful to animals.
The plastic that we use every day is not easily biodegradable, and beyond that, we dispose of it carelessly and it ends up in the ocean carried by the wind. It takes 20 to 500 years for plastic to biodegrade. While that happened, animals in the ocean can die if they get caught in plastic bags or eat metal that we throw around.
But wait, there has been a change in the land too. Land pollution, including the excessive mining for fossil fuels, which harms the air, and the overuse of pesticides in plants are basically killing the earth by poisoning the dirt. People also have the tendency to cut down trees that absorb carbon dioxide and cleanse the environment.
The effect of this is that animals die, plants die, people die, because of water pollution, land pollution, and air pollution. We don't realize it, but every day we are harming the planet. Using fossil fuels, we cause the air we breathe to become polluted.
Because of air pollution, which causes global warming, ice in the North and South Poles are melting rapidly, causing the decrease in habitats for animals who survive in the cold. This causes the near extinction or even extinction of entire species.
Air pollution can infect plants before they even turn into trees, killing them as a result, along with the help of land pollution. Water pollution has caused an exponential drop of biodiversity.
This has all been happening for centuries. So what is different now? Well, now the problem is a lot worse, but now we are doing something about it. Let's head over to Somya and Vera to see what data they've collected.
Yes, over the past few years, people have changed quite a bit when it comes to helping or worsening the hole that we've dug for ourselves. Many people are trying to decrease pollution and stop climate change. They're switching to natural and renewable fuel sources so that they can keep the air free of greenhouse gases.
People now are switching to clean energy sources like solar, water, and wind. Switching to electric cars instead of gas-powered cars, they're also making an effort in increasing tree plantings. And since trees release oxygen and take in carbon dioxide, one of the greenhouse gases, it helps reduce global warming.
Along with that, separate communities also have their own ideas how to decrease pollution in global warming. From switching to clean sources to going out and cleaning their community, picking up trash, and helping save animals in the water from threats like oil spills. Oil spills coat the water-resistant coats of many marine mammals. This makes the fur unwater resistant, which can cause them to freeze to death, especially in the Arctic. Trash in the ocean can also strangle animals, render them immobile, or cause digestion issues.
Here are what some of the people we surveyed thought about environmental issues.
So we surveyed around 50 people, and here are the results. More than half of them believes that global warming is the most pressing environmental issue. Tying for second place is air pollution and ocean pollution. Then after that comes deforestation.
These are the thoughts of just a few of the people we've surveyed. So, to answer the question, here, yes, we have impacted climate change and pollution, but our impact changed over time.
As you can see, all of these issues are caused by humans. We've already talked about the detrimental effects of burning fossil fuels. Global warming and pollution are caused by it.
At first, we were harming our environment with no mercy, indirectly hurting ourselves. Now, however, we see the problem, and people from all over the world are trying to fix it, restoring the planet that we call home, Earth.